Hello peoples of the Instagram. Welcome to the Creative Lab. I have an awesome project that I'm very excited to show you today. We are going to be creating chalk paint. So, why I think chalk paint is great? Because a lot of children don't like to touch chalk. They don't like the feel of it. Also, they don't like to get their hands dirtied. So we've come up with a solution. Chalk paint is also very similar to the texture of regular paint. So it's not a very big leap for them. And it's so much fun. I'm telling you parents, you're gonna love it. Here is what we will need. We will need cornstarch. You will need an empty mason jar or a Tupperware jar, anything with a lid. You're going to need some measuring cups. You will also need some water, something to stir with. We have popsicle sticks. You can use a spoon. And then you will need actual chalk. So I recommend when you get your chalk to cut it up and then to put it in a Ziploc bag and then to grate it down like that till it's fine as such. So this is about a half cup of chalk. What we were going to do is, first thing, in our mason jar or container, we are going to dump the chalk in the mason jar. This is a little bit of a messier activity, but you're doing measurements, you're doing things that are not just art related, which is great. So it's like a scientific experiment. It makes it fun also for the kids and a learning process as well. All right, you're going to put the chalk in there like so. Then you are going to put a quarter cup, actually 2 quarter cups, I found worked best, of baking soda. Not to worry, I will have all of these instructions up on the website. All right. Then you will use a 1/3 cup of water first. All right. And mix it just to start to see the texture and the consistency. Now, you'll look with your child and you'll say, okay, take a look at that. What do you think? Do you think we need more water? You probably are going to need 2 or 3 cups of water, but it's great to get them to kind of, trial and error and process to say, yeah, it is kind of thick. We do need some more water. So I will add some more water. And like I said, not to worry, we have all the fine measurements on the website. And then in the beginning, it's going to be a little hard to stir, but that's okay. Gets those muscles going. And then, as you stir, voila! There is your paint. So the consistency is that. It's almost like if you microwave Nutella for a minute and you get that creamy Nutella. That's kind of what it's supposed to look like. And then you can take a paintbrush, dip it, and start to paint outside. This is also great for fine motor skills. It gives them a little bit more control when working with chalk. What I recommend you do is take the original chalk in its original form, go outside and maybe write their name down or, draw a picture if you want, and then get them with letters, especially in numbers, this works. Get them with their paintbrush to go over the letters. So now you're doing a fun activity, you're spending time outside, but they're also getting into the habit of like writing letters and numbers. So we can make this like an educational activity using literacy, science, and art all together collaborated into one. All right, friends, have fun with this activity. I can't wait to see your chalk drawings and how beautiful they come out. Be safe and have fun.